Monkey bread is one of those magical recipes where each bite feels like its own reward. But what if you don't have a Bundt pan? No problem. I'll show you how to nail it without one. First, let's talk pans. You can use a simple 9 by 13-inch baking dish or even a deep oven-safe skillet. Honestly, a Bundt is just for fun shape points. The flavor? That lives in the layers of butter, cinnamon, and sugar. Start with the dough. You can make it from scratch if you're feeling ambitious, but let's be real. Store-bought biscuit dough works wonders. Grab 2 tubes of it. Yes, 2. Trust me, you'll need every last piece. Cut your biscuit dough into quarters. Each piece should be small enough to soak up the sugar-butter mix. You're creating bite-sized pieces of joy here. Uniform pieces bake more evenly, so don't get lazy with size. Now here comes the good part. Mix 1 cup of granulated sugar with 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Toss your dough pieces in this magic dust until every side looks coated. It's like a sugar-cinnamon spa for your dough. Melt half a cup of butter, real butter, not margarine. Stir in half a cup of brown sugar until it combines into a caramel-like liquid. This is your sticky glue that holds the whole monkey bread masterpiece together. Grab your baking dish and start layering. Add a handful of dough pieces at a time, then drizzle your caramel sauce over them. Repeat. You're building layers of sweet, gooey, cinnamony greatness. Bake at 350 degrees Fairfreeze for 35 to 40 minutes. Check halfway through to make sure it's not getting too brown on top. If it is, tent some foil over it. You want golden perfection, not crispy disasters. Once it's out of the oven, let it cool for 10 minutes. I know waiting is torture, but this keeps the caramel from burning your fingertips. Plus, it gives time for the layers to settle. Flip the pan onto a serving platter if you used a deeper dish. In a 9 by 13, just spoon the monkey bread right out. No flipping. Either way, it's going to be sticky, messy, and absurdly delicious. And here's a pro tip. Pair it with coffee or warm cider. The slightly bitter undertones of coffee cut through the sweetness perfectly. Or add vanilla ice cream, because why not go all in on decadence? No Bundt pan needed, see? You now have what feels like a party centerpiece, but can also be a regular Sunday snack. Bonus points. It fills your house with a smell so good, you'll have neighbors knocking.